Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys would like to see how I made this cute high chair tutu, then please keep on watching. So the first thing that I picked up was this pink ribbon, but you can choose any color that your party is going to be. And then what I did is I measured around the high chair to see how long I needed my tutu to be. And I did leave some extra ribbon on each side so that I can tie a knot once I was done with the tutu. And then what I did is tape down my ribbon to the table. You'll see that I end up changing work areas. But what I did do is tape down the ribbon so that it was easier for me to tie the tulle around. So I picked up 2 rolls of tulle, and if you have the IKEA high chair, that's probably going to be enough if you don't want it to go all the way around. Mine was enough to just cover the front and a little bit of the sides of the high chair, but 2 rolls was what I picked up, and I picked up the cream color and then the light pink. Also, side note, if you guys do want darker colors, I would suggest maybe doubling the tulle as you're knotting them onto your tutu, or just picking darker colors of tulle, because mine are very light colors, very pale colors, so they didn't really stand out on the tutu, but either way I liked how it came out. So what I did is I started to measure out my tulle. What you can do is kind of go on the high chair and then kind of just, eyeball it and see how long you want your tutu to be, and then what you're going to do is double that. So I didn't measure, I kind of just did it like freehand. But whatever length you want your tutu, you're gonna double that, and that's what I'm doing here. Is I'm measuring out all my tulle into even pieces. So once you have all of your tulle cut out, you're going to fold your tulle in half, and you want to make sure it's as even as possible. But once you have that folded in half, you're going to grab your scissors and cut on the crease where you folded the tulle in half. So this is where I told you guys that I ended up switching work areas. So what I did is just tape down my ribbon, and then you're going to grab your tulle and fold it in half as I'm doing here. And then you're going to place that in front of your ribbon, and then you're going to make sure that you leave a little loop open. Fold that behind the ribbon, and then on the little loop you're going to put in the ends of the other side of the tulle. So I'll do this a few times so that you guys could kind of pick up how I'm doing it. And then once the other side of the tulle is in through the loop, you're just going to give it a quick tug, and then you're just going to do this repeatedly until you're done with your tutu skirt. So you see how you can't really differentiate in between the white tulle and the pink tulle. So what you can do to make yours stand out is you can probably double the tulle when you're knotting it, or just pick darker colors of tulle. But I really liked how mine turned out, and outside in the sun it did really stand out. So once I was done looping all of my tulle, I picked up some flowers from the Dollar Tree and I took off only the flower part, so I left the stem. They come off really easy. So once those were all popped off, I started to hot glue them to the ribbon of the tulle. So the very top of the tutu skirt, I just hot glued them along the line. I ended up using 11 flowers, so if you're planning to do one just like mine, that's how many I ended up putting on the skirt. This is optional, but I wanted to make a little one sign in front of the skirt. So what I did is I picked up a white piece of paper and then just kind of outlined the word one, and then I cut that out. Once I had that cut out, I put it against the glitter paper that I wanted to use. I taped it down to the glitter paper, and then I traced the word one on the glitter paper. And then once I had that traced out, I cut that out. If you do have a Cricut or a Silhouette type of machine, this would probably be a lot easier. I do have one, but it was just so tedious for me to take it out and plug it in, so I decided to just freehand it, and this is what I'm doing here, and just kind of cutting it until I like how it looks. So once I was happy with how it looked, I found the middle of the skirt, and then I just hot glued that on top of the tulle. And to stick it onto the high chair, I picked up this Velcro. I've had it for a while now. I picked it up from Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys want to pick up the same Velcro. And what I did is I just did each corner and then one in the middle. And once you have all of your Velcro strips on, you can put your tutu skirt on the high chair. And that is it, and this is what my tutu turned out like, and I am completely obsessed. It's perfect for my little Luna's first birthday party, and it was super easy to make. Let me know down below what you guys think, and if you guys will be making a tutu also for your little one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out, you guys, and if you're not subscribed, I hope that you click that button. Thanks again, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.